In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate CTR and understand viewable and relative CTR in Google Ads. If you're diving into this world of online advertising, understanding these concepts is crucial because they provide insights into how effective your ads are at capturing attention and driving action. First, let's kick things off by heading over to the Google Ads homepage. Make sure your internet browser is open and simply type in the URL for Google Ads. This is your hub for managing all your advertising campaigns. So once you're on the site, the next step is to look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Clicking Sign In will prompt you to log into your Google account, where all of your ad data resides. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to what we call the Google Ads home. This is essentially your dashboard, a place where all your campaigns, ads and reports are right at your fingertips. For today's focus, we're going to head over to the overview section from this home screen. The overview provides a snapshot of your ad performance, and it's where you'll find details crucial for measuring click-through rate, CTR. Now let's zoom in on CTR, which stands for click-through rate. It measures how often people who see your ad end up clicking it. You can find this metric by clicking on the CTR section in your Google Ads account. Now, why is CTR important? Well, a high CTR generally means your ads are resonating with your audience. It indicates that people find your ad compelling enough to take action and click through to learn more. However, CTR is just part of the bigger picture. We also need to talk about viewable CTR. This metric only considers the impressions that could actually be seen. Essentially, if an ad isn't in view, it doesn't count towards this calculation. The idea here is quality over quantity, focusing on those impressions that genuinely had the chance of being noticed by your audience. And let's not overlook the relative CTR, a lesser known but equally insightful metric. Relative CTR compares your ad's performance against others in similar positions and targeting. If your relative CTR is high, it means your ads are performing better than average compared to similar ads, suggesting you're doing something right with your ad placements or design. That's the breakdown of understanding and calculating CTR, viewable and relative CTR in Google Ads. By mastering these metrics, you not only gauge the effectiveness of your marketing strategies, but also optimize to ensure your ads are compelling and noticeable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more valuable insights in our Google Ads course.